If you are planning to become a lawyer in Canada, this is one of the biggest decision you will make. NCA or LLM. Choose wrong and you could lose 1 to 2 year of your life, 20 to 40 lakhs and still struggle to get a job. And the worst part, most students choose LLM without even understanding what NCA actually does. In this video, I will break down the real difference, the hidden truth, and exactly with which path is right for you based on your profile. Let's start. First, let's simplify this. Both NC and LLM are pathways for foreign trained lawyers like Indian or UK graduates to enter the Canadian legal system, but they are not the same. NCA is an assessment process, LLM is an academic degree. NCA checks your past education, LLM adds new education. This one difference changes everything. About let's talk about NCA. When you apply NCA, evaluate your law degree, your subject, your marks, your university, your legal system. Based on that, they assign you usually 5 to 10 exams. You prepare on your own. Give open book exam, and once you clear them, you get something called the certificate of qualification that allow you to move into the Canadian licensing process. Now, here's the reality, there are no classes, no teachers, no structure support. It's completely self driving. So, NCA is not about study, it's about clearing equivalency gaps through exams. Now, let's talk about LLM. LLM is a 1 year master degree in Canada. You go to a university, attend classes, interact with professors, and study Canadian law in a structured way. Sounds great, right? But here's what most students don't know. Not every LLM reduce your NCA exam. Only specific program like professional LLMs are aligned with NCA requirements. So if you choose the wrong LLM, you might still have to give full NCA exam after spending 30 to 40 lakhs. That's where many students make costly makes. Let me explain the real difference in one simple way. NCA says you are missing this subject, go their exam. LLM says come study their subject in classroom. So NCA is testing your past education, LLM is building your new profile. NCA equal to validation or LLM equal to enhancement. And depending on your situation, one mistake more sense than the other. Now let's talk about the biggest factor, money and time. NCA pathway cost around 1 to 3 lakh, take roughly 8 lakh to 8 month to 2 year. LLM pathway cost 15 lakh to 40 lakhs, tuition plus 10 lakh to 20 lakhs, living expenses per year. So your total investment can easily cross 30 to 50 lakhs. Now ask yourself, is that investment necessary for your situation? Because NCA is a requirement, LLM is a choice. Now comes the important question. Which one helps your career more? NC give you eligibility to become a lawyer. LLM gives you exposure to the Canadian legal market. Through LLM, you may get internship, networking opportunity, better understanding of local practice. But let's be very clear, LLM does not guarantee a job. So if you think LLM job, that's a wrong assumption. The real difference is NCA qualification, LLM positioning. Okay. Now let's make this practical. You should choose NCA if you want to a cost effective path. You are comfortable with self study. You want faster qualification, you should consider LLM. If you want Canadian exposure, you need a structured learning. You are targeting law firm roles, and here's the advanced strategy most people won't take about: strong profile direct NCA, weak or average profile LLM plus NCA combination. So it's not about with the better, it's about what fits your profile. Before you decide, ask yourself four questions. What is my budget? Can I handle self study? What is my career goals? How strong is my academic profile? If your profile is strong, budget is limited, go for NCA. If you need exposure, support, and networking, LLM can be useful. Let me give you a simple example. A strong Indian law graduate goes through NCA, save time and money. Student B, weaker profile, does LLM improves positioning, then clear NCA. So the answer is not universal. The right choice is strategic. If you are serious about building a legal career in Canada, don't make this decision blindly. Your entire journey depends on this one choice. If you want to, I can help you evaluate your profile, predict how many NCS stud exams you will get, and suggest the best pathway for you. Just comment NC or LLM below in comment box. I will guide you. And if you this video helpful, you understand this clearly, subscribe, because I break down real legal career strategy, not generic advice. Thank you so much for watching this video.